beginning of this year as well as last year that there is a zero tolerance towards drug-related activities. And we have been cracking down on drug-related activities since 2017 in a very, very proactive manner. As a result, in 2018, we had around 88 cases of NDPS booked in North District alone, wherein we had arrested around 54 non-Goans, 12 Goans, and 25 persons of foreign nationalities. And we had also seized drugs worth rupees 84,55,724 rupees. So continuing the same drive, in 2019 also we have put our sources in, particularly in police stations of Coastal Belt. And yesterday we could get a very good breakthrough in this regard, wherein we have arrested 4 foreign nationals of Russian origin. 2 cases have been registered in Pernem police station. It is an excellent work by PI Pernem Sandesh Chodankar, the SDPO Serafin Dias, and the entire team of Pernem police station. In one of the cases, we had an input that they are cultivating ganja in their room. So as per this input, we raided the premise, and on raiding the premise, we could find that the information was correct. Subsequently, the person disclosed that there are other friends of his who are also indulging into similar activities, and they have other commercial drugs along with them. Subsequently, a different house in the neighboring area was raided, wherein 3 Russian nationals were caught. And in this case, we could get commercial quantity of drugs. So the total value of drugs that we have seized from these 4 accused is around 7,55,000 rupees. We were not expecting it, but in this whole process of detecting these drugs, we came across a vehicle which these Russians were using. This is a blue color Swift Desire that they were using. On checking the Swift Desire, we found that there were various equipments which are used in ATM thefts and ATM breaking. So we could find gas cutters, we could find sprays which were used in blackening the CCTV cameras, etc. And the concerned accused, he confessed also that he was involved in the Pernem massive ATM theft case, wherein around approximately 9 lakhs rupees were stolen by them from the ATM machine. So this is a crime which was registered again in Pernem police station 192/18, and it was registered in the month of November 2018. We are still in the process of interrogating them. There is a possibility that more cases of ATM thefts are disclosed by them, and we might be able to detect many more cases which were registered in Mapsa police station as well as in Pernem police station. So the names of these 4 accused whom we have arrested is, one is Ilya Alexandrovich, he is 30 years old, Vafin Radik, 34 years old, Zakharin Yuri, 37 years old, and Markov Igor, 32 years old.
So all 4 have been booked and arrested in both the cases or separate cases?
3 are arrested in the case in which commercial quantity has been obtained because they were into a different premise.
Okay.
And one person, Ilya Alexandrovich, is arrested in the other case.
All narcotic cases?
All narcotic cases.
All are Russians?
All are Russians. They have been apparently staying in India for the past 2 months. And they have their valid documents with them. They have passports and valid visa. And however, they have failed to fill their C forms. So subsequently, we'll be booking cases for violation of the foreigners registration rules.
So what visa they have from?
Pardon?
Which visa they have from? Which visa?
Tourist visa. Tourist visa. They use these masks and do the ATM theft machine so that they are not detected. Yeah. You can see gloves also, you can see explosive, you can see a cutter which is used to open it can open even the toughest of doors. You can see small lamp, 2 laptops are there. Through these laptops they have yes, battery and explosives. This is the battery and explosives that they use to break open the ATM machine. And this LPG cylinder is also found in their vehicle.
Used for cutting?
Yes, used for cutting the, yeah.
Which area they were, this 2 raids were conducted in?
This was conducted in Danuswada, Mandre.
Since they have been staying those, they were staying.
They've been changing homes.
Changing.
In fact, we had some input long time back, around 2 months back, about them. So we were in a process of chasing them, and then somehow they had this input with them because they also have their strong intelligence network. So they found out that police is behind them, so they shifted houses a couple of
Change the
times.
vehicle also.
They changed their vehicle as well.
They were staying, they have taken those houses for rent.
Yes.
Those are bungalows.
Small houses.
Bungalows.
Yeah.
Small bungalows.
Small bungalows.
Individual bungalows.
When they involved any other ATM case for regular season?
No, we are still in the process of interrogating them because we caught them yesterday evening. So we will be taking some police custody, a few days of police custody, and we'll be interrogating them.
The FRR will be informed about their arrest.
Yes, yes.
So are you checking whether they are international criminals or something else, whether they are...
We will definitely.
Any crime, they are first time they have arrived in India or Goa? Or this
We
is
will
the
be
second-
checking it up with the FRRO as well as through the Bureau of Immigration.
They were produced in court?
They will be produced.
Produced.
Yeah, they will be produced.